In the modern age we live, technology's what we can't leave. It's changed the way we work and play. Our lives have been transformed in every way. Modern technology, it's a wonder to behold. From phones in our pockets to the stories we're told, it's made our world a smaller place, and connected us all at a lightning pace. With artificial intelligence and machine learning, the possibilities are endless and mind-boggling. We can automate tasks and make them easy, and turn science fiction into reality. Modern technology, it's a wonder to behold. From drones in the skies to the stories we're told, it's made our world a safer place, and connected us all at a lightning pace. From virtual reality to augmented reality, the future is full of possibilities. We can explore new worlds and dimensions, and unlock secrets beyond our comprehension. Modern technology, it's a wonder to behold. From robots in factories to the stories we're told, it's made our world a smarter place, and connected us all at a lightning pace. So let's embrace the modern age, and all the technology on center stage, for it's a tool to improve our lives, and make our world a better place to thrive.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe to Data to Info.